Hey, what's up, Harmony coin holder? What's going on this time? The Harmony price is totally decreasing from last 1 month, my brother. And I never expect this, my friend, from Harmony. They will go on like that. But definitely, this is a very big coin, best coin, my friend. And I hope in upcoming days the price will pumps up because this is the end of year. This is the end of month. So therefore, all crypto market is crushed down because short time investor starting selling. So therefore, especially BTC is dumps down. So my friend, absolutely this there is a possibilities to level more and more dumps down. But what's price prediction, what's a huge pump, my friend, coming soon, my friend? Everything I'm going to discuss now, but please, this is a very secret information which I share now. Kindly keep watch the video and please subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos, my friend. If we check it out, my friend, the current condition now this time, so absolutely it's going to be very bad now. And I'm very shocked, my friend, to see this change occurring, especially last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 7 days. You can see all change occurring is totally completely negative. So therefore I'm very shocked to see this too. What we need to do, my friends, to be safe from loss. So 100%, if you, my friend, understand this to what I tell you, you will be safe from loss and you will get a very good profit now. Harmony is one of my favorite coin, my friend, and if we check out, my friend, this time the change occurring, so it's gonna be totally negative. But absolutely, after a dump every coin will pumps up. As you can see, the expert says to after a dump every coin will pumps up. So therefore we will need to wait for that. I hope in upcoming days they will pumps up and give you a very good profit. Alright, holders, what's your opinion, what's your advice? Please, this is also very important now for me, for everyone. So kindly share it in a comment box. We will, my friends, also my friends, do a technical analysis to in upcoming days can they will moving upward or not. So remember to after a dump every coin will pumps up. So therefore these candles is going to show you to they will dumps down. So I hope to after this dump they will again pumps up and give you a profit. Thanks for watching, holders. Kindly like video and also subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz.